Today we will be removing the front driver's seat. Tools required is a 14mm socket, an impact gun, and a pry tool. We're just gonna make our way towards the back end of the seat. Locate the panel covers. So there's gonna be two covers, which is one right here and the next one on the right hand side. We're gonna use our pry tool, slide it underneath the plastic tab, pop it off. Likewise for the other side. All right, there should be two 14mm bolts on each side. Just go ahead and shoot them off. After that, we're just gonna make our way towards the front driver's seat. Before we slide the seat back, we're gonna go ahead and remove the seat belt strap. So behind this plastic cover, you will see a 14mm bolt, which is right here. And now we can slide the seat back. And on the front end, there will be two 12mm bolts. All right. Okay. We're just gonna go ahead and tilt the driver's seat forward and then pull the whole seat assembly back and locate the wires for the seat belt latch. So we're just gonna use our pry tool to help us release the plugs. Go ahead and pull that black piece forward. There's one plug. We'll go ahead and release this white one. All right, we should have a few more plugs left. And that should be it for the wires. Go ahead and put the wires to the side, put the seat back forward. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the seat out from the car. There you have it. Driver's seat.